On the beginning of today's video, I would like to welcome everyone on my channel, 𝗦𝗁𝗀𝗃𝗲 Stacker. And today, after a couple months, we got some unboxing which I'm gonna show you today. It's like a welcome back pack. Probably most of you recognize the envelopes. It's gonna be some unboxing from the Royal Mail and some other dealers as well. So let's get into it. I just opened the first one a little bit, so it's gonna be a bit easier. Let me have a look. Yeah. And the first one today is from Charts. Everyone recognize the Charts. Very trustful, hassle-free dealer. Never ever got any issues with them. Everything comes on time and everything is always spot on. Like you can see already, I'm not into it, the silver for now, because the price and everything, so I decided to move the funds more for the gold than the silver, and I believe it was a good decision, but the time will show that way. So the first one today, it's the Lion of England, and it's 1/4 ounce. Let me show you a bit better. Queen Elizabeth. So that's the first gold for today. So we're gonna move now for the next one. Yeah, invoice. Then we got this bad boy. Not sure what's that, to be honest, because I ordered a few bits from them. We're gonna find out in a second. Ta-da! It is half sovereign 2025. King Charles. Size comparison. Half sovereign, 1/4 ounce of gold. And then we got some more. Second, let me take the invoice. Yep, I got the idea. Let me open all of them. It's gonna be, I think, a bit easier for us to play with. Whoa. gonna be the last one. Not least, some more on the way, so don't worry. Then we're gonna move for that one. Slightly bigger than the other ones. Curious what it's gonna be. Oh, it is open. Shouldn't be open. Oh, let me sort it. Yeah. And it's Salmon Unicorn, 1/4 of the ounce as well. With king charts. Big shame because I don't have the whole collection, but it is what it is. Still happy to buying the gold and investing for the future. I remember not far ago the gold was like 1,550 and today we got over 2,300 pounds per ounce, so it's definitely a good decision. Then we got another 1/4 of the ounce, 2024 Britannia. You know, it's just basic bullion, but I think that Britannia is my favorite design. They got something which I'm really into it. Lovely shining pieces. Where is the biggest surprise? If it's gonna be that one? Oh, it might be. I believe it's that one. Yes, it is. It's another Britannia 2025, but it's 1/2 of the ounce. And guys, trust me, it is the difference. It might sound silly, but it just, oh, that's the one. The size and the feel on the hand, you can definitely spot the difference between them two. So that's 2024, yeah. That's 1/4 of the ounce and that's 1/2 of the ounce. So yeah, like I mentioned beginning of the video, some of my current savings was moved into the gold. What the future gonna bring, no one knows, but I don't have as much trust on the banks. I believe them and them. It's much better option. It's more safe, especially when you go to the branch and say you need the money, you need like 10 or 15k on the cash, and you got million of questions, lots of problems, so many IDs. And to be honest, from my personal experience, they always bring the problems to get the money. Always. It never ever goes smooth. And this bit, physically, my possession, hassle-free, no problem whatsoever. Bringing in there definitely more interest than the other percentage from the savings account or stuff like that. So that's the 6 coins which was purchased recently, but it's not everything. Like I mentioned, it's more on the way, and you're gonna be informed soon. So thank you very much for watching my video, for the support and everything. Don't forget, have a look for the stackerssocial. It's very friendly Discord group with loads of really nice people. It's, let me put it up, it's definitely worth to give a go. Lots of information, basically every single minimum month you can win some free silver on the Discord group. And for me, the most important, meeting the really nice people, which I was got the opportunity to meet by myself, like GSH, really cool guy. We're still in touch, and hopefully we're gonna meet soon, because I'm planning something, but that needs to be a secret for now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. See ya guys, bye.